Hi, I'm Jennifer Janet with Coldwell Banker Professional Associates. Today I'm going to bring you the market statistics for Perry County, Missouri for the month of March 2021. If we look at the month, there were 16 new homes that came on the market and 17 sold. The average days on market dropped down to 44 days, and the average sales price is $197,000. So if we jump back to March of 2020, we'll see that there were 13 new homes listed and 12 sold. The days on market was 107, so that's a huge decrease from March to March here when we're looking at that, like over 50%. And the average sales price is $137, $108. So if I wanted to point out too a statistic in our office that I was pretty proud of. We've been working hard on some of our higher priced properties, and our average sales price for March 2020 was $231,680. So in 2020, that was only $135,475. So we had over a $100,000 increase in our sales price average for our office. Now, if we take a jump back and we compare March to February, because I'd like to do that each month as well. February had 12 new listings and 14 homes sold. The average days on market was higher. It was 118 days, and the average sales price is $199,857. So everything is trending pretty positively for 2020. If we take now a glance at first quarter 2021, we will see that there were 38 new homes listed. The average days on market was 181 days. That was a decrease of almost 29%. And the number of closings was 41. That was a 37% increase from last year. And the 2020 numbers for quarter one, 30 new homes were listed, 30 homes sold, and the average days on market was 114. Average sales price for quarter one of 2021 is $196,394. The average sales price for quarter one in 2020 was $154,000. So that's a 27% increase. So we have some really healthy increases in our local market. And so I know you've been hearing a lot from real estate professionals in the media that there is a housing shortage. And that has certainly been the trend in the conversation that we've all been discussing. But when I look at these numbers for quarter one, I see a few different aspects here. So when I looked at this further, I did peek back into 2019. And in 2019, there were 29 new homes listed. And as I mentioned, in 2020, there were 30. This year for quarter one, there were 38. So that is an increase. So I have to, kind of bring that to your attention that the houses are becoming available. I think the key to what we're seeing right now is that the sellable homes that are coming on the market are selling really quickly. So the days on market is shorter for those sellers. And, when we had 41 closings in 2021 versus 30 in 20, that's 11 more homes. So that's a healthy increase as well. So that's tied to, more homes being available to sell on the market, and then also a couple that looks like had been lingering around for a while and sold to make up those numbers. So I just thought that would be interesting to point out to you that I feel like now we're moving from a point of being low on the housing inventory to where we're now trending at a higher number. So there have been more homes coming on the market for sale, which is typically a little unusual for quarter one. So I'm going to be really excited to see what is happening in quarter two this year and how that's going to trend and to play out. But there are sellable homes, and when those homes come on the market, they are not lasting long. So I think that's the key right now to our local market, is that good sellable homes aren't sticking around. And it's also very good to point out that there are still numerous buyers. So as those homes continue to come on, there could still be the opportunity for multiple offers, and of course those shorter days on market. So if I can answer any of these or any questions you have, or discuss these statistics in the market with you in greater detail, I am happy to do so. Just call, text, or message me. And as always, when you think real estate, think Coldwell Banker Professional Associates.